when I was young. I was flipping through the channels when I saw something on. Something about robots that destroy each other and made me want to go blow up my mother. Ooh, Anthony is not alone. It made me want to go blow up my home. Eventually I did that, ain't the point. I love bad grammar and I wish I could rhyme. And if you didn't get what we're talking about, we're talking about the most amazing thing around. If you think of Transformers, then you was right. Cause everybody knows that they hella tight. Transformers creators wouldn't pay us to make this rap. They told us that the script was full of nonsense. I bet you thought I was gonna say crap because it rhymes with rap, but I'm better than that. Transformers will punch you in the face. Transformers 1, do the Macarena. Transformers always say no to drugs.
Transformers, robot teachers, guys.
They don't even need to use a Glock. They can take you down with their electric shock. Harder than a body slam from the rock, but not as much as a slap from my hand. Ooh, have you heard about Optimus Prime? Sweeter than a cherry, sour than a lime. If your booty's getting hot and it keeps getting hotter, he'll turn into a fire truck and spray you with water. Optimus knows how to use his hoe. He be treating his friends like he treats his hoe. Some species sticks right through his nose until his nose unloads and explodes busload. Ooh, like that we switch it up like when the Decepticon kicks. Autobot butt and Thunder Blast is a slut. What? Jizz. Transformers will find the cure for death. Transformers will for algebra. Transformers are against terrorism.
Transformers, robot teachers, guys.
The dopest parties are thrown by the Autobots. Disco dancing and chips hella hot. They got moves like you ain't never got. No weed, no snake, no crack, no cocaine. They don't need a stuff to keep their party insane. Moves so whack that you can't explain. Dancing so crazy that'll melt your brain. Moves that Decepticons can never attain. Ha ha! You're not Megatron, you ain't got no game. Autobots, throw it up, make it a game. You fight to contain the shame you've obtained. Optimus will take you out with impeccable aim. Transformers, don't give a damn what you say. Transformers, hit the club like every day. Transformers, blow things up with satisfaction. Explode in your face like a chain reaction. Transformers will run for president. Transformers will